Kanwal Singh Chauhan, a recipient of prestigious Padma Shri, an Atarna resident, Kanwal Singh Chauhan is a true inspiration to all those who wish to pursue farming through innovative and creative practices. Baby corn, the mildly sweet vegetable that was rare sight till few decades ago, has certainly become available everywhere at supermarkets, roadside vendors, restaurants, and even homes. At one point, it was imported from Thailand, which continues to be the primary global producer. That would change in the late 90s when Kanwal Singh Chauhan, a farmer from the Aterna village in Sonepat, Haryana, decided to pursue baby corn farming. I began farming when I was 15, but it was only in 1997 when I decided to give baby corn farming a try. There were perhaps no baby corn farmers in India at the time, and the vegetable was being imported from Thailand for restaurants and hotels. Those were priced at rupees 4,000 per kg. When I started out, most people in my village dissuaded me, saying it wouldn't be as profitable as wheat or paddy, he recalls. What worked for Chauhan was that, unlike the wheat or paddy, which have an early harvest, baby corn can be harvested thrice in a year. That seemed to slowly elicit interest, first amidst my neighbors, then slowly across the entire village. Today, we have 5,000 farmers pursuing baby corn farming from Sonepat. He shares proudly. Chauhan didn't just introduce baby corn to the region, he also established a profitable market for the farmers. Initially, I began selling it for rupees 70 per kg, which then trickled down to a fixed value of 60 as the production increased multifold. That helped us establish a fair market for the farmers who either sell it in the local mandis or food processing units, he explains. Alongside baby corn, Chauhan also grows mushrooms, sweet corn, tomatoes, and regular grains. Sometime in 2009, he decided to further expand the scope of baby corn farming and started selling the canned variant that has a shelf life of 3 years. This proved to be quite fruitful for the humble farmer who now exports his fresh produce to even England. In fact, Chauhan reaps a daily farm production of 5 to 10 tons of baby corn, along with 2 tons of processed and canned productions and 1.5 tons of daily export to fresh baby corn from Sonepat. When I started, the initial returns were few lakhs, but now with canned productions as well as the export, we can rake in an annual return ranging between rupees 18 to 20 crores, he adds. Another practice that Chauhan has popularized across the region is that the integrated farming, an agricultural management system that integrates livestock and crop production and is centered upon sustainability. So how does he ensure integrated farming across his farm? In addition to the harvested crops, everything that is produced here is utilized in some way or other to ensure no wastage. For instance, the used baby corn stalks as well as mushroom remnants all go into the making of manure. In addition to that, fecal waste from the livestock on our farm is put to use for manuring purposes. Nothing here goes to waste, we guarantee that, he adds. Amidst these facts and data, what we should pay attention to is the fact that this humble farmer's rock-solid determination and the will to experiment has silently changed the perception that farming in India focuses mostly on wheat and paddy, and now how his leap of faith is today bringing handsome returns over thousands of farmers. His farm and processing unit together provide a livelihood about 200 employees. I believe that there is an immense scope for youth in agriculture. With education and increasing awareness on the harms of chemical additives, their participation can be crucial to better the crop quality and help India to become the world's food bowl through sustainable practices, he concludes. Kanwal Singh Chauhan, an innovative farmer who enhanced the economic status of 5,000 farmers. Samarpanam.